Welcome back to Sleazy's Garage. Today I bought something from eBay. I have not opened it up yet. I did rip off the packaging label so I don't have to blur anything. So we'll open that up today. We'll check out what it is, and I might pull out the matching item that I'm replacing from the car. I actually have to do quite a bit of restoration on this part that I just bought. So I'm going to try to do that today. Cool, so let's just get started, and I'll start by opening it up and taking a look. That's right, it is a heater box. So, I have to replace this. I think I could use the factory hardware from the one before. The important aspect of this is that I have a heater box that has not been sliced open like I did on mine. So I have the stuff to replace some of this other stuff, but I also want to replace the evaporator core, which is not as straightforward as one might hope. So that will be hopefully today, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm just going to give this a quick visual inspection. Take you guys along. One thing that makes me think this evaporator core was changed at some point is this looks like it's a little loose, and this foam in here is supposed to keep it wedged, but this does not look cut. In fact, that was one of the reasons why I picked this one. I have a new heater core as well, so I will be replacing this. Not worried about that. Well, the rust on this blower motor is a little concerning, but I do have the blower motor from my other box if I need to, so that's not a big deal. Not sure if I can get a replacement of this, but I will look before I put this back in the car. So this looks like it's hanging on. Cool, we'll check all that out. So I'm actually going to open this up and take it all apart and clean all the pieces of it and replace anything I need to, but this is in much better shape than mine is, so I will definitely be giving this eBay user an A+ for this. This is a good buy. It was kind of expensive for shipping, but I mean the price for the item itself was lower than usual, so I think even combined it was cheaper than I've seen one of these used boxes. So whatever, I'm happy with it, and I will restore this. touch and go there for a minute. I almost spiked this thing out in the driveway, but I was able to split it in two. You can see the horrific job I did splitting this, but my God, was it a chore to do this. I did notice that there was some of the green oil that you sometimes see inside of these. The only thing is, this looks like factory sealant, and they typically don't give you this when you buy a new one. So I'm not entirely sure if the cores ever changed. If it was, then this was split open before because it wasn't cut. So probably not. It's probably from the factory, just a little loose. Yeah, I mean, the box is in better shape than mine, so I guess I'll keep going. This is the new heater core. Slightly different design, but it matches. I think this is what I think it is. I'm not sure that's the same part. Alright, the tubes seem the same, but deal with the fuzz part at the bottom. That actually fits pretty well. Alright, I might need to put a pin in this because this is still a little wet from today, from wiping it out. So I might handle the cracks today and let this all dry up, and I'll probably get to putting it back together maybe next weekend. I'm not sure. We'll see.